QBTS stock analysis and QBTS stock prediction for Monday. Is it a buy or not? This is for Tuesday. Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I want to be very clear and start off by saying that for me, D-Wave Quantum stock is actually quite sick, and it did manage to deliver, which is I'm a very big fan of. I mean, having done well over 37,000 videos and 5 figures in courses and mentors, I know what's making me money and what's not. And with QBTS specifically, on top of having so many receipts, not just this in the Discord, but mainly like a demonstration live proof of me calling things out here. You can see at the time the price was sitting at $6.91, and I was looking to take $11.50 highs previously, right? This is like 3 days ago, and since then now we're $11.83, which is phenomenal. And the way that I'm looking to double down this market is still from that bullish lens, but randomly buying is obviously not going to be an option. Since we already kind of took the highs out, the only thing that will make sense for me is just waiting it out. When I say waiting it out, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna just, you know, look at this and just wait. Obviously, as long as the rules are met, then I'm going to be trading. But if they're not, there is no point for me to like come out here and just trying to force movements. Makes no goddamn sense to me. And yeah, like unless I see the price coming down and giving me this double break, then and only then I'll look to take things up. Doesn't even have to be exact this zone. So yep. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.